Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a vanilla cake. This cake is perfect for a birthday cake or any special occasion. Our daughter's birthday was last week, she turned 2 and this was her birthday cake. First, in a medium bowl, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then gonna add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt and gonna whisk together to combine. Then set aside. Now in a large mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of unsalted butter and gonna add in 1.5 cups of sugar. And using an electric hand mixer, I'm gonna beat together for about 5 to 7 minutes or until thick and fluffy. Now you're going to add in 4 room temperature eggs, one at a time, beating well with each addition. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and beat to combine. Now add in the flour mixture in thirds, alternating with 1 cup of room temperature buttermilk. Beat until just combined and smooth. You want to butter and flour 2 9-inch cake pans. Then divide the batter evenly between the 2 prepared cake pans. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cakes rest in the cake pans for about 10 minutes before removing them. Then place them on a cooling rack to cool completely before applying the frosting. While the cakes are cooling, let's start on the buttercream frosting. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, I have 1.5 cups of unsalted butter and gonna beat on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes or until lightened in color and whipped. Then going to reduce the mixture to medium-low speed and going to add in 4.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. And you want to make sure to sift your powdered sugar before adding it in. Then add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, and beat until whipped and well combined. Now it's time to frost this cake. Place your first cake layer onto a cake stand. Then add some frosting, then add your second cake layer and it's time to start decorating the cake. I like to smooth out the top and clean the edges. Then lastly, gonna add some sprinkles. My daughter picked out these sprinkles. This easy vanilla cake is moist and delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this cake recipe. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And before you guys go, I want to get my little birthday girl to try out her cake. So let me go get her. Say hi, baby. Say hi, everyone. Wave. Okay, you want to try some of my birthday cake? Look. Yummy. Good girl. Is that good? You want to try it? Yeah, you do it. Yum, huh? Aww. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Well, if you guys would like to see some more recipes, I have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye. Say bye, baby. Bye. As you can see, my baby girl is enjoying her birthday cake.